So I eat keto and I have a sweet tooth, and usually those things don't match up. I try to stay away from things with sugar, but every once in a while I need a dessert or I need something with a cup of coffee. So I buy things like this just to keep around my kitchen so I don't end up buying like candy bars and gross things from the supermarket. This is from a company called ChocZero. I have bought their chocolate before, and this is kind of their version of chocolate and hazelnut balls. I know they look pretty much the same as a big name brand that you might have heard of that looks the same way. I haven't had one of those in a long time, so I can't tell whether or not they are one for one taste, but I doubt it. Usually things like this don't taste exactly the same as the counterpart that they're copying off of, but in my opinion, that's a pretty terrible way to look at it. I'm not trying to fill that niche with that old candy I used to eat. I'm just trying to find things that I genuinely enjoy eating that have zero sugar that fit into my keto lifestyle, and this is something that does. They only have 2 grams of carbs per serving, which makes it fit perfectly into my diet, and they taste really, really good. Chocolate is one of those things that you don't need to be adding all the crazy sugar to in order for it to taste good. I mean, it's chocolate. It already tastes pretty darn good. So these things work for me. I try to focus on a whole food diet. However, I am human and I want things with a cup of coffee. I want things for dessert sometimes. And if I don't have things like this in my kitchen, then I will mess up my diet a lot of times. So I like having them. I enjoy eating these things and I would definitely recommend them.